Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a minute. Yeah, so doing something a little different in this video. So I got a electric bike, and I can pedal still and do some cardio. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit of unboxing of it right now. All right, so I got one of these here. It's a ridstar q20. So not bad. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna unbox it and then show you what's in there. Okay, so here's part of it here. Looks like a lot of stuff to take out of the box. So let's go ahead and get everything on out. Alright, so it looks like they unboxing one. Looks like we got a headlight. Cool. Little toolkit. Okay, so I can use all these tools. Got a few wrenches. Alright. I think that's for the back cap thing. And we got some pedals. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. They give you tools and stuff. Looks like you use it to put together. What's in this box? Looks like the charger. Okay. Cool. Not bad. That's a small charger. I mean, either in that. It's not bad, so I can actually carry that charger with me. It's pretty light, so if I ever need to charge up a little bit, there I go. So, all right, let's unbox some more of this, and yeah. Okay, so I decided to just cut. As you can see, there you go. So you got to put the wheel on and put this thing together. So I'm gonna get the rest out of the box and start piecing it together. Alright, still kind of pulling it out. Here, it's part of it here. You got the wheel over here, handlebars, stuff like that. So that's what I'll be putting here together. So let's see if put together and then see how it goes after that. Alright, looks like got it put together. So let's take a look at it. You got the display, and then for your phone, lights, horn, key, all that looks pretty good. So yeah, all I got to do is add the battery here. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so now everything is all together. So now we got, there you go, got the battery on there, everything's good, got the pack. It's pretty nice, and then with the tools, put the tools in the bag here. Display is hooked up, everything's good. Light and turnkey. So yeah. But that's gonna be pretty much it for this video, and the next video should be just test it out and see how it rides. So, all right, appreciate you guys watching. See you in the next one.